Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and account readiness. This matters because the carrier plan and OS versions determine activation success. Once done, power on the watch and iPhone, keep them close, and open the watch app on your iPhone. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled. The watch pairs over Bluetooth first. Tap Pair New Watch, align the viewfinder, and follow the on-screen prompts to begin device setup. Do this now to move into carrier provisioning. You now set up the cellular plan through the watch app because Geo provisions an eSIM linked to your phone number. Tap Cellular, then set up Cellular. The app opens Geo's activation flow. Enter your Geo credentials and complete any OTP or KYC steps. This verifies ownership and enables eSIM issuance. Make sure to accept terms and select the correct number if multiple lines exist. Once the carrier confirms, the eSIM is downloaded. You finish by confirming the watch shows Cellular connected in the watch app and on the device face. That proves the eSIM is active. If activation stalls, restart the watch and iPhone, then retry Setup Cellular because a reboot often resolves temporary network or provisioning glitches. If problems persist, note the watch IMEI or ESN and contact Geo support. They can check provisioning and billing status. This step solves carrier-side holdups and gets you back on track quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.